Is your Costco app acting up and preventing you from snagging those amazing deals? Don't worry, we've got you covered. When the Costco Wholesale app isn't working, it can be a real buzzkill for your shopping, but a few simple troubleshooting steps can get you back up and running in no time. Step 1, let's start with the basics. Close the app completely on most phones. This means swiping up from the bottom of the screen, and then swiping the Costco app window away then. Try opening it again. Sometimes a simple refresh is all it needs. If that doesn't work, we'll clear the app's cache. This is like clearing out temporary junk files that might be causing problems. Go to your phone settings. Find the Apps or Applications section, tap on the Costco app, and then look for Storage or App Info. You should see an option to clear cache. Tap that, and then try opening the app again. If clearing the cache didn't do the trick, you might need to clear the app's data. Be aware that this will reset the app to its default state. So you may need to log in again. Navigate back to the Costco app's storage settings and select Clear Data. After that, restart your phone completely. Next, let's ensure you have the latest version. App developers constantly release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Head to your device's app store. Search for the Costco Wholesale app and see if there's an available update. If there is, install it. Connectivity issues can also cause your app to act up. Make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection. Whether it's through Wi-Fi or your cellular data, try toggling your Wi-Fi off and on. Or if you're on cellular, ensure you have good signal strength. If none of these steps resolve the problem, it's possible there's a broader issue with your device or the app itself. Try uninstalling the Costco app and then reinstalling it from scratch. This is often the most effective way to fix persistent glitches and get you back to seamless shopping in no time.